Good time class. In this video we are going to solve exercise number 1.2. So question number first is a book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. The number of tickets sold at this counter on first day, second day, third and final day were respectively 1094, 1812, 2050 and 2751. So what we have to do is we have to find the total number of tickets. So first, tickets sold. First day, second day, third, and final day. And what we have to find? We have to find total tickets. So on first day number of tickets were 1094, 1094, 1812, 2050 and 2751. So what we have to do is we have to find total number of tickets. So we will add all of them. 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 9, 20. Next, 8 and 2, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. And this will be 2 and 2, 4, 5, 6 and 7. It is 7707. Okay, these are the total number of tickets. Okay, done. So class, what you have to do is you have to write the question like this, otherwise marks will be deducted. So question number second is Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has scored so far 6,980 runs in test match. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. How many more runs he need? Okay, so runs he wants to complete equals to 10,000. Okay, number of runs he wants to complete is 10,000 and runs he had completed so number of runs he has completed is 6,980. 6,980. So what we have to find? We have to find remaining runs. So what we will do is we will subtract this 6,980 from 10,000. So 0 minus 0 is 0. Okay, next we cannot subtract 8 from 0. What we have to do is it will be 0 and it will become 10. Then it will become 9 and it will become 10. Then it will also become 9 and it will become 10. So 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 9 is 0 and 9 minus 6 is 3. So he needs 3020 runs more to complete his 10,000 runs. Okay. Next is question number third. In an election, the successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes and his nearest rival secured 3,48,700 votes. By what margin did the successful candidate win the election? So, third successful candidate got how much? 5,77,500. 5,77,500 votes. Okay. And next, rival gets how much? 3,48,700. 3,48,700. So what we have to find is, we have to find the margin. So margin will be, what we will do is, we will subtract it. So 0 minus 0 is 0. Again 0 minus 0 is 0. We cannot subtract 7 from 5. So what we will do is, this will be 15. 15 minus 7 is 8 and it will be 6. Now we will give it carry again. So it will be 16 minus 8. It will again 8 and it will be 6. 6 minus 4 is 2 and 5 minus 3 is 2. So 2,28,800 is the margin. Okay. Next, Kirti bookstore sold books worth rupees 2,85,890 in the first week and worth rupees 4,768 in the second week. How much was the total sale? So question number 4. Books sold first week, second week. So in first week there are 285,891. 285,891. And the next is 400,768. 400,768. So what we have to do is, we have to find total number of books. So total will be 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 8 plus 9, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. It will be 5 plus 1, 6. It will be 8 and 4 plus 2, it will be 6. So 6,86,659 books were sold. Okay? Done? Question number 5 is, find the difference between the largest and the smallest 5-digit number made from these digits. And what we have to do is, we have to use each digit one time. So what I am doing is, I am making the largest and the smallest 5-digit number from the given digits. Okay. So question number 5. Okay class, what we have to do is, we have to make a largest number and a smallest number, and then we have to find the difference. So the largest number will be 76432. 76432. Okay, and the smallest number will be 2, 3, 4, 6 and 7. Okay, now what we have to do is, we have to find the difference. We have to find the difference. So difference will be 2 minus 7. We cannot subtract 7 from 2. So what we will do is, we will give a carry. It will be 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. It will be 2 and it will be 3 and it will be 12. So 12 minus 6 is 6. It will be 13. 13 minus 4 will be 9. It will be 5. 5 minus 3 is 2 and 7 minus 2 is 5. The answer will be 52,965. Okay. Question number 6 is a machine on an average manufactures 2,825 screws a day. How many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006? So question number 6, what we have to do? We have to make screws in January 2006. So we must know how many days are in January month. So there are 31 days. So screws made in a day equals to 2,825. 2,825. Okay. Then screws made in month of January 2006 equals to. So what we have to do is we will multiply it by number of days. Okay. So 2825 multiplied by 31 and you will get your answer. What we will do is we will multiply this 2825 by 31. So 2825 multiplied by 31. It will be 5282. 15. 6 plus 1 7. 24. It will be 8. So answer will be 5 7 15 7 and 8. So number of screws will be 87,575. 87,575 screws. Okay, this is the final answer. So class, this was question number 6. Next is question number 7. Question number 7 is a merchant had 78,592 with her. Okay, she placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets at rupees 1200 each. How many money will remain with her after the purchase? So class, what you have to do is, first of all, you have to find out how much she spent on purchasing the radio sets. So total amount of purchase equals to 1200 multiplied by how many radio sets? 40 equals to 48,000 rupees. Okay, so total amount of purchase of radio sets will be 48,000 rupees. So how much amount left? What we have to find out, how much amount left. So amount left equals to total amount minus amount of purchase equals to total amount was 78,592. 78,592 minus amount of purchase was 40,000 equals to, it will be how much? 38,592 rupees. Okay, this was the amount left with her. Question number 8 is a student multiplied 7,236 by 65 instead of multiplying it by 56. By how much was his answer greater than the correct answer? 7236 multiplied by 65. Okay, so we have to find the answer. Minus 7236 multiplied by 56. Okay, so what we have to do is, he had multiplied by 65, but we have to multiply it by 56. So what we will do is, we will take 7236 as common. Okay, so it will be 7236, which is common. We get 765 there and 56 there. Okay, so it will be 7236 multiplied by 65 minus 56 is 9, and we will get our answer. So 6 times are 54. We get carry 5. 9s are 27. 27 plus 5 is 32. We will get 2 there and 3 carry. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. We get 2 there. 9s are 63 plus 2, 65. So the answer is 65,124, greater than the original answer. Okay. Next is, to stitch a shirt, we need 2 meter 15 centimeter of cloth. For stitching a shirt, we need 2 meter 15 centimeter of cloth. And the total amount of cloth we have, is 40 meter. So how many shirts can we stitch and how much cloth will remain left? So what we have to do is, we will divide 40 meter by 2 meter 15 centimeter, so that we get the number of shirts and the remainder also. So total, this is question number 9. Total what? Total cloth equals to 40 meter, and we can convert it into 40 multiplied by 100 equals to 4000 centimeter. Okay, and cloth for one shirt equals to 2 meter 15 centimeter. Yes, it is. So it will be 200 plus 15 equals to 215 centimeter. Okay, what we have to find out is, we have to find out how many number of shirts will be there. So number of shirts equals to 4000 divided by 215. Okay, so I am dividing it there. 4000 215. So 215 ones are 215. We will get 185, and then we will take the 0 out. Take it? Yes. So we will take it 215 1720. So it will be 0, 3 and 1. So what we will get is, number of shirts will be 18, and the cloth left is with how much cloth left? 130 centimeter left. Okay, so how much you get? 130 centimeter is the remainder, and 18 are the number of shirts that we get. Okay, so class, this was question number 9. Next is question number 10. Question number 10 is, medicine is packed in boxes, each weighing 4 kg 500 gram. How many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kg? Okay, so what we have to do is total, it is question number 10. Okay, so question number 10, total weight it can carry. It can equals to 800 kg, or we can say that 800 multiplied by 1000 gram. It will be 8 lakh grams. Okay, so next is weight of each box. Equals to, weight of each box is 4 kg 500 gram. 4 kg 500 gram, or we can say that 4500 gram. So number of boxes will be 8 lakh divided by 4500. Okay, so 2 zeros are cancelled. Next we can also divide it by 5. 5 nines are 45, and it can also divide it by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30, and double 0. Now we cannot divide it further, so we will take it by traditional method. 1600 divided by 9. Okay, so we know 9 twos are 18, so 9 ones are 9. It will be 7 0. 9 sevens are 63. It will be again 7 0. Again 9 sevens are 63. It will be 7. So how many boxes we get? 177 boxes. Okay, so number of boxes it can carry is 177. Okay, next is question number 11. The distance between the school and the house of a student house is 1 kilometer 875 meter. Every day she walks both ways. Find the total distance covered by her in 6 days. Okay, so total distance equals to, it is 1 kilometer 875 meter. 1 kilometer 875 meter. Okay, or we can say that 1875 meter. Okay, distance covered in 1 day equals to, okay, so distance covered in 1 day equals to 1875 multiplied by 2. Why is it so? Because we go 1875 meter and then again come by 1875 meter. So it will be 3750 meter. Okay, so it is 3750 meter in 1 day. So total distance in 6 days equals to, total distance in 6, total distance covered in 6 days equals to 3750 multiplied by 6. So 6 zeros are 0, 6 5 are 30, 3 will be carried, 6 7 are 42, 45, 6 3 are 18 and 4 22. Okay, meters. Done. So how much it will be? It is 22 kilometer 500 meter. Done. This is our question number 11. Next is question number 12. Question number 12 is, a vessel has 4 liter and 500 ml of curd. In how many glasses, each of 25 ml capacity, it can be filled? Okay, so total capacity is equals to total capacity is 4 liter 500 ml. 4 liter 500 ml, or we can say that 4500 ml. Okay, and capacity of each glass. Capacity of each glass is 25 ml. Done. Capacity of each glass is 25 ml. So number of glasses it will take. So number of glasses equals to 4500 divided by 25. Okay. So what we have to do is we have to divide 4500 by 25. So 4500 divided by 25. 25 ones are 25. 45 minus 25 is done. Again a 0. So 25 8s are 200. Again the 0. 25 zeros are 0. And this is done. So the answer is 180 glasses will be filled. Okay class. So this was the exercise number 1.2. You can watch the next video for exercise number 1.3. Thank you.